Yo, what's up? So I recently posted this short tip on my Instagram and TikTok. I have a bunch of Ableton tips there about a hidden vocoder in Ableton. Since YouTube doesn't have a time limit, we can go more in depth into this trick. And at the end of the video, we're gonna see this kind of bonus tip of another hidden vocoder. So let's check it out. Okay, so as we know, vocoders can help us kind of make this robot sound. So first we gotta record something, although you can also play this live, but let's record. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next I'm gonna load the effect under audio effects, reverb and resonance, and we're gonna load the Spectral Resonator, which is right above the vocoder, but it gives a slightly different sound. Let's check this out. Okay, sweet. So just like a vocoder, I do need an extra MIDI track, but the sound itself will come from this effect. So let's open a new MIDI track, Command-Shift-T. We're gonna keep it empty. Let's arm it. Let's go back to our audio track. Now, the Spectral Resonator, let's switch it to MIDI mode, and we're gonna get the MIDI from our MIDI track. Nice. We're gonna switch it to poly, so we can play chords and melodies. And that's it. Let's first of all test out how it is right now. So I'm going to play some chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Now, we can change a few things here. For example, we can add some unison to add some more thickness. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're using headphones or speakers, you can also hear it's widened the sound. We can change the number of harmonics because that's what the Spectral Resonator is doing. It's dividing the sound into these partials or harmonics, and we can decrease them to make a more kind of darker sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back. And we can add modulation like chorus. This is a triangle modulation. 2, 3, 4. And we can change it, the amount of it with the modulation rate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, and even pitch modulation, although that will take it out of pitch if it's too much, but we can do a tiny bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can also do wonder, and that's also gonna treat the unison voices differently, but this is a sawtooth modulation. 2, 3, 4. And granular, it's completely gonna break off the harmonics and randomize them. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Here we got the input send, which we're going to turn up. If it turns red, by the way, this LED here, it means that the built-in limiter is working. It does have a built-in limiter. Let's turn this off. Nice. Right here under a stretch, if we take it up or down, it will become inharmonic. 1, 2. But if we take it all the way to 100, it will give us this more of a square wave sound. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Nice, and shifting is very cool. That's kind of like 4-man shifting. So let's check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or let's turn it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. We can also turn up the decay, which is just going to make it longer, more like a pad sound. 1, 3, 1. Nice. And the damping, it's just going to shorten the high frequencies or the low frequencies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is it. Super cool stuff as a vocoder, and somewhat hidden because of the name. Doesn't reference any vocoding characteristic. But Spectral Resonator, you can use it as a vocoder. Now, one bonus tip, kind of an extra vocoder hidden in Ableton. What we can do is, I'm going to take this MIDI track. Let's go under Instruments. I'm going to load the Wavetable. Okay, so that's default patch. But I'm going to drag this audio that we recorded into the Wavetable display. And it's going to turn it into a Wavetable. Let's go down a few octaves. And let's we can use this slider or even the modulation wheel on your MIDI keyboard to change that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can even use an envelope. So let's go to the matrix. Let's use envelope 2 on the oscillator 1 position. Let's go to envelope 2, make it longer, high sustain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Now the wave shape, let's bring up the release so it doesn't go back. The wave shape in effects, the warp and fold work pretty nice. 1, 2, The other ones, not so much. One, two, three, four. So kind of a hidden vocoder also there, just turning your voice into a wavetable and playing with that. Of course, we can play it melodically because it's a synthesizer. So that's also the wavetable. So those are kind of like two hidden vocoders in Ableton, Spectral Resonator and Wavetable. I'll catch you next time.